All right guys, got a short tutorial for you replacing the cabin air filter on your 2019 to 2022 F350 Super Duty. Don't mind the truck, it's filthy in here. In any case, open up your glove box. You're gonna have this little tab right here, and as you can see on the back side, there's an opening position. So what you want to do is try to hold it steady, push up on the glove box door, and it'll, yep, you can see we made it to that little opening there. Pull this little sucker out, boom. Now, next step, you have these two little tabs, this plastic that gives a little. So from here, you can push from this side, pop that tab up, and then over here, pop this tab. All right, next step, you're gonna remove the upper glove box compartment. And so you have this little piece of rubber plastic. You just pull that right off. You're gonna expose these two 7mm bolts, remove those, and then you can remove this upper glove box compartment to give you full access to the air filter compartment. So you can disconnect this clip here, but you don't necessarily have to. You have open access to that cabin air filter compartment. So on either side, you're gonna have these two clips. Let me zoom out. Yep. Opposite side. Pull tabs. I'll kind of show you there. Just pull these off. All right, so there goes your cabin air filter. Just make sure to take note of the directional airflow. In this case, our airflow is going downward. So we're gonna wanna replace the new air filter in the same way. Let's pull this bad boy out. Airflow downwards, bomb. So we're just gonna fit that in there. All right, so now just follow the reverse order in how you took everything apart to put everything back. Start with your cover. All right, now seat your upper glove box compartment. Yep. And you're gonna wanna get those 7mm bolts on there. All right, now your upper glove box compartment tray. Just pop that on there. Get it in the grooves. There you go. Now your little plastic dampener, just pop it back into place. Now pop these guys back into place. That one just popped in and you're all set. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Fairly simple process, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes at tops with the right tools. In any case, you guys have a blessed one.